Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from PNC Bank to Zelle in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of digital banking, this process is faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're sending money to a friend, family, or for a quick payment, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have a PNC Bank account set up and the PNC mobile app installed on your smartphone. You'll also need Zelle, which is often integrated with many banks, but if not, download the Zelle app and link it to your email or phone number. In 2025, expect even smoother integrations with enhanced security features like biometric verification. Step 1. Open the PNC Bank app and log in using your username and password. If you're on a desktop, head to the PNC website and sign in. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. Look for an option that says, Send money with Zelle, or something similar. It's usually front and center in the app's dashboard. Step 3. If Zelle isn't already linked, you'll be prompted to connect it. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the link. This might involve entering a verification code sent to your phone. Step 4. Once connected, enter the recipient's information. You can use their email address, phone number, or if they're enrolled in Zelle, select them from your contacts. Step 5. Input the amount you want to transfer and add a memo if needed, like lunch repayment. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Always verify the recipient to prevent any mishaps. Step 6. Review the transfer details, including fees, which are minimal or none for PNC customers in 2025, and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation notification almost instantly. And that's it, your money should arrive in the recipient's account within minutes. Remember, always keep an eye on your account for any unauthorized transactions and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.